Hello, I'm Tomonari Shiraishi, and my partner is Haruka Sakatani. Today, we will talk about obesity with this flow. First, we express an overview of obesity and data of obesity. The criteria of obesity are decided with BMI. BMI stands for Body Mass Index. It can be calculated by body weight divided by height. If BMI is larger than 25, it is obesity. This graph shows annual transition of obesity percentage in Japan. About 30% female are obesity, and about 20% female are obesity. Obesity has many risks. In other words, many people are exposed to risk. So, we think this problem must be solved. Second, we introduce causes of obesity. Main three causes are circadian rhythm, food, and childhood obesity. Obesity is related to time of sleeping. Person who has lack of sleep become tired. Then the person can't do enough exercise, so the person become lack of exercise. As you know, enough exercise is important for our health. Next, food is one of the causes of obesity. What kind of food make a person obesity? Those are meat, fish, sugar, and oils. Surely, you must eat those food as much as is sufficient. But if you eat too much those food, you take excessive lipid and calories. Then, those that didn't consume are stored in our body as fat. Next, childhood obesity is an important cause of this problem. As we will describe later, childhood obesity will be adult obesity at 70% from 80%. Why children are become obesity? The reason is children are influenced by parents. Children's lifestyle is similar to parents' one. So, if parents do such as lack of sleep or eat too much meat, they put on TV until midnight or make high-calorie food. Those lifestyle will influence to children and make them obesity. Next, Haruka talk about risk of obesity.
Third is the risk of obesity. There are three risks for this. First, it is complication. Obesity increases the probability of complications. For example, arteriosclerosis, hypertension, cerebral infarction, diabetes, etc. Next, it is the risk of child obesity. There is a high risk that it becomes obese even if you became an adult if you are obese at childhood. Influenza obesity is 25%, school-age obesity is 40%, puberty obesity 70% to 80%. It influences on adult. There are two main reasons why the risk of puberty obesity leading to adult obesity is high. It is because physical was formatted and it was decided lifestyle. Finally, it is sleep apnea syndrome. Sleep apnea syndrome is to repeat apnea during sleep. Oxygen in the body decreases and places a burden on the heart. As a result, complications leading to death tend to occur. Also, sleepiness becomes strong during daytime and concentration ability decreases. From this we propose two solutions for obesity. One is a review of eating habits. Eating breakfast every day. Think about health balance. Don't eat too much at night. Refrain from drinking alcohol. So, change the content and way of taking meal leads to the relations of obesity. Another from an exercise habit. Do moderate exercise in everyday life. Then it becomes difficult to put on fat. Especially aerobics exercise is effective. For example, jogging and walking, etc.
In conclusion, we express the summary of our presentation. At first, obesity mainly caused by three causes, such as circadian rhythm, food, and childhood obesity. Next, we talk about three risks of obesity, such as complication, influence on adults, and sleep apnea syndrome. At last, we introduce two solutions such as food education and changing a lifestyle. We think those solutions should be continued by each parent and children. If so, the number of childhood obesity and adult obesity will decrease.